After land transaction, what is the most important document you want to know? First of all, before we get started, my name is Freddy Chino, so I'm your real estate friend right here in the city of ENUGU. The goal of this video is to educate you on how to make a successful real estate transaction when investing in real estate, especially if you're investing for the first time. So watch this video to the end and learn. So welcome back. A lot of you will be thinking that having a CFO or a survey plan is the most important title document, but no, you need to have a document that shows transfer of ownership between the person that sells the property and the person that buys the property. That Mr. A selling the property to Mr. B. A proof of that transaction needs to be shown in a document which is called a deed of assignment. So you must be asking, what is a deed of assignment? So a deed of assignment is a title document that shows transfer of ownership between two parties. That means Mr. A selling a property to Mr. B. That is why I always advise you, when buying a property, always buy from a real estate firm, because a real estate firm have their own lawyer that draft out a deed of assignment showing the transfer of ownership between the real estate firm and the person buying the property. What if you are buying the property from an individual or you are buying from a family? Same go, because most families at times they issue a receipt or they just show you a contract of sale, which is not right. You need to have your own personal lawyer that come and draft out a deed of assignment. Always come with a personal lawyer, your own personal lawyer, to draft out a deed of assignment. And when you are drafting out the deed of assignment, you need to have people to sign. Anybody that involved in that land transaction have to sign. If you are buying from a family, at least 6 people from the family have to sign in that deed of assignment, and you have to come with a witness to also sign. A witness can be your friend, your sister, your brother, or any of your family one when buying that property. So all of them have to sign in that deed of assignment, so that there have been an agreement between two parties that a proof of transaction has been made. So after you must have draft out your deed of assignment, it doesn't end there. You have to register the deed of assignment, which is also called the governor consent. That means the governor is aware that a change has been made, a transfer of ownership has been made in that property. Because if you do not register the deed of assignment, that means the previous owner of that property is the one they know. That is why most individuals sold a property 2 times. They sell the property 2 times because most people don't know about the deed of assignment and the registered deed of assignment. That is why when matter arises, they go to court. The person with the registered deed of assignment win the case. So I will advise you, when buying a property, always ask for a deed of assignment to show a proof of transaction between you as a buyer and the person selling the property. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like and share this video, and hit the notification bell to see more of my content. I am Freddy Chino, so your real estate friend right here in the city of ENUGU. Hope this video is helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section. Bye for now.